This short video will show you how to create a Cogitate Data User account on XNAT in order to gain access to our free full data repository. First, go to our XNAT data repository URL. Here's the entry page to the XNAT dashboard. By creating an account, you are agreeing to our terms of use, found here. And the GDPR compliance found here on the login page. You will also find a series of helpful resources listed. We encourage you to use these as needed. We also include acknowledgement of our funding sources. On the right side of the screen, you will find the login box. But before logging in, you must create an account. This can be done by clicking Register. You are redirected to the new user registration form. Here, you simply need to fill out first a username you choose. Our suggestion is you choose something you won't forget. Next, set your password. Fill in the remaining required fields, which are denoted by a red asterisk. First name, last name, and email. The other fields can be completed at your discretion, but are not necessary. Finally, click on Register. Once you have completed those steps, the Cogitate Data Support receive an automated notification of your new account. They will review your registration details to ensure it is not likely to be a bot creating said account. No further gatekeeping is in place, meaning any person that wants to get in touch with our data will be permitted access. This may take up to 48 hours. Once your account has been verified by our support team, you will be prompted with an email notifying that your account is all set, and you can then proceed with accessing the full Cogitate dataset on XNAT. If you require any further assistance, please contact our support at cogitate-support@ae.mpg.de. And please check out our other how-to videos that will show you how to navigate XNAT, perform searches, download data, and more.